Hi guys, I'm K9 Kerner from Austin here, and I got something to say, you guys. I am going to quit YouTube until Christmas. I hope you guys will understand my message. I am going to quit YouTube until Christmas because I'm just too lazy to do YouTube right now. But in Christmas, I'm gonna record some more videos about my new singing toys that I got for Christmas. Yeah, so I'm gonna quit YouTube until Christmas. I hope you guys will understand my message. That's all I want to say. That's all I want to say, guys. I am going to quit YouTube until Christmas. So, goodbye, guys. Have a great rest. Have a great rest of your day. And I'll see you in Christmas. Goodbye. I'm going to miss you guys. Goodbye, guys, and I'll see you back on YouTube on Christmas.